All right. So let's go over how to break down this chart. SPX 500. Let me make this smaller so everybody can see the price. All right, we're going to use this as a cheat sheet. So we're going to put daily because we're going to go to our daily. Close this off. All right. Now that we see the chart, and this can go for anything. Anything that you see right here, you can do the same thing. I just want to let everybody know that. All right, so we instantly see that we are in buys. Let's not make this too complicated. This is a reason we are in buys. Price is going up. On top of we have nothing but structure breaking. What is structure? This is structure going up. We call this support. Up, up, and up. So we don't really need to stay too long on why we're buying on the daily. So let's take all of this off. And we're going to put buys. On our cheat sheet, go down to the 4 hour. Let's get all this brought back in tight. And you obviously see, without zooming them all the way in, we are still buying. Still going up. So we're going to put 4 hour buys. 30-minute is our entry. We might have to use the 4 hour as the entry because we have nothing to go off of over here other than, I guess we can use this. Here, let me bring this down. All right, we're gonna use history, which always when you can't see it over here, but since it stopped right here, then I might as well use this right here. So you see, this is where everything was touching and bouncing off. I'm just gonna put this right here. Buys, support. When you're buying, you always need support. This is our support. Price came down, support, support, shot up. Price came down, support, 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 shot up. This is why we need support. Let me close this more. And we're going to use a whole number, which is our 68.50. This is where we will be buying at. And obviously behind this wick. So you made all of this off of this cheat sheet right here that we just broke down. What else? You could obviously, I usually don't show people Forex Factory because I don't use Forex Factory at all. But if you want to learn how to get news like Euro USD, this is all Euro USD information, Spanish services, Italian services, French final services, German final services. Everything that you need to know that's going on in their news, this is where you go. If you trade GBP, here's the final services for the PMI. Again, Euro, core CPI, CPI flash estimate, PPI, Italian, everything. Anything that you need to know what's going on is right here. USD, every time Trump speaks or Powell speaks, anybody, non-farm employment change, final services, ISM services, crude oil, anybody that wants to trade oil, this is what you would be looking at. But I really don't use all this stuff because everything I use is strictly on the charts. So I really don't show it because we broke all this down and we didn't even look at anything over here. Uh, Obviously, I have a mentorship. If you need any help doing any of this whatsoever, just give me a comment, leave a message on my Instagram, get in contact with me some way, shape, or form, basically, and I can get you the help you need. This is super simple. This is super easy. Anybody can day trade. A lot of gurus make this harder than what it needs to be. Matter of fact, just to make this easy, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description. It should have a type form to where you can fill out my mentorship form. Let's make this money, y'all.